after you signing into your TurboTax account under TurboTax and Intuit.com. First, keep in mind, before you can finish and send your tax return to the IRS, you need to complete adding the necessary information both to your federal and state taxes before choosing on to filing your taxes. And to do filing your taxes, click on the File option at the left side of your screen. On the number 3, named Get Ready to Save and File Your Returns, click the Continue or Revisit button. On here, I do recommend for you to filing your return by e-filing for each return that you have, means you will be filing your return online via internet, electronically. Note that there is no additional fee for e-filing, and as filing your return on paper is not recommended. So after you make sure all the filing is chosen as an e-file, click on the Continue button right here. Click the Continue button again. On this screen, if you filed your last year tax return and the IRS accepted it, you may click on I have my accepted 2024 tax return option. Note that the year will change according to the current tax year, and then check on your AGI number there later on. Please match according to your real condition, so if you do not file last year, choose on this option right here, so on and so forth. Then click the Continue button. Click on Continue again. Here it's the one of crucial part on your last year federal return, at top left of the page. You may see the number either 1040, 1040 SR, and so on, so you may match that number with the option right here. And hit the Continue button again. Click the Got It button. On this page, you want to insert the number that's written in the line number 11 on your last year accepted tax return, which is your AGI or adjusted gross income. Enter it 2 times. And note that if you do amend your return and it changed the AGI last year, please use the first AGI on your first return before an amendment. After that, click on Continue button. Then, you will need to do a double check on the AGI number that you enter, because if it's the wrong one, IRS will reject your return and you have to enter it again. So click on Continue button after you are sure, and check all this 3 box right here. Click the Continue button after confirming your information. And start to inserting your personal credential as the way to prevent identity fraud. If you do not have any of that, you may choose the 3rd option right here. Then just click on Continue after that. Some state will require you to have a consent for some content. You may read it here, and give a consent by do a check mark and hit Continue button. And then you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.